In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Kit subscribe form website. If you want to collect email subscribers and grow your audience, embedding a subscribe form on your website is one of the simplest ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact process, starting from the dashboard area where forms are managed and ending with publishing your website so the form is live. To begin, go to your account dashboard and look for the option labeled Audience Growth. This is where the tools for expanding your audience usually live. Click on Audience Growth and take a moment to confirm you are in the right section. You should now see navigation options related to building and managing landing pages and form tools. Next, you will click on Landing Pages and Forms. This step matters because the subscribe form you need is created and embedded from within the Landing Pages and Forms area. After you click Landing Pages and Forms, allow the page a moment to load. You will then be able to access the specific form you want to use on your website. Now you should open your form. This means selecting the exact subscribe form that you already set up or want to use for subscription signups. When you open the form, you should see details and configuration options, along with tools for sharing and embedding. Spend a second here to make sure you have the correct form open before moving to the next step. After the form is open, click Embed. This section is specifically designed to help you place the form onto your website. You may see different embed options, so it helps to stay focused on getting the JavaScript embed code. Clicking Embed is the step where the system prepares the code you will copy. Once you are in the embed area, click JavaScript. This tells the platform that you want the JavaScript snippet, which is commonly used with many website builders and custom HTML placements. After you click JavaScript, the page should show a code block. It might look like a small script or a set of characters. Do not worry if it is not easy to read, since you are only going to copy it as is. Now click Copy. This ensures the embed code is placed into your clipboard exactly as the platform provides it. This step is important because even small changes can break the embed. If your browser asks for permission to copy or interact with the clipboard, make sure to allow it so the code is captured properly. With the code copied, you will paste it into your website's custom HTML block. This is where the form becomes part of your site. Navigate to your website editor and find the area labeled Custom HTML. When you are ready, paste the copied code into that block. Make sure you paste it cleanly without removing any characters and without adding extra text around it. After pasting the code, take a brief moment to review that the custom HTML block contains only the embed script and not additional modifications. This helps prevent formatting issues and makes sure the form will load correctly on the front end of your website. Finally, publish your website. Publishing is what takes your changes from the editor into your live site. Click the Publish button and allow the site to update. When it is finished, visit your website to confirm the subscribe form appears where you placed it and that it works as expected. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.